Have the cutoffs from the when I mitered the angle from my table base, so these will make nice gussets. I'm going to drill a hole there. It's center punched right there, and this is going to be the receiver. I'll weld up underneath for a hold fast. So these things will be on there 1, 2, 3, and 4. That'll hold it nice and sturdy, and it's going to be right in the middle of the table. Be able to just drop it in, hold whatever I'm doing. It'll be half the width of the table, so be able to swing a real nice diameter. And here's a piece of hardened rod that I'll bend, rolling away, that I'll bend for my hold fast. So that's what we're getting ready to weld up here.